What's up, y'all? Good morning. If you seeing this video, that means your girl was able to be great this morning in Dollar General. I went live last night, so I don't even know if I'm going to post this today. And a couple of people wanted me to do some couponing hauls. So I do not have a scenario in mind. I'm just going to go in there and freestyle it. I know y'all would rather for me to like do scenarios and stuff like that, which I can come up with some digitals for y'all because I'm using paper coupons and I'm pretty sure y'all don't have any, especially if you're a beginner. So if you're a beginner and you want me to come up with an all digital scenario, I will. So to do that, you will have to download the Dollar General app. You have to clip your coupons. You have to clip those coupons, y'all. If you that's because they sitting there, that mean you could use them at the register. You have to make sure you check them all. Clip your coupons and just go ahead and clip all of them. I don't use all of them. I only use certain ones, but just clip them all just in case, because sometimes they remove certain stuff. So yeah, I'm going ahead and freestyle it. But at the end of this video, I'm gonna have a digital scenario for y'all to use this weekend. How you use your digital is at the cash register. Like when you swipe your card, there's a button to your bottom right to where you can push for your digital coupons and you enter your cell phone number. Let them know you're using your digital coupons because, you know, that's only how they're going to come off. You got to put your number in. But I'll have a digital scenario for y'all at the end of the video to show you how to save money. Like I said, I'm using paper and digital. So I'm just going to go in there and freestyle and show y'all what I do. I'm going to put a link to my couponing page in the bio, which y'all, I'm going to have to be honest, y'all, I'm in Facebook jail. So, but I'm still going to give y'all the link to it. Still give y'all the link for when I get out. I can help y'all with this couponing thing, saving some money. So I'll see y'all in the store. This is what I got so far. And I'm just gonna get some stuff, you know. So I'm gonna get some fling steak, $3.95. So and let's see. Let's see. I wonder. I wonder. Anyway, y'all, I don't know what happened. I don't know what just happened. But anyway, now I got to record all over. So don't y'all pay attention to my little mess in the background. Y'all see my little hookies, my dog food, whatever. The little glasses, that's what I got for the kids. We got our little sparkling cider for the New Year's. Even though I'm scheduled to work, I made sure they had something for themselves. So, y'all, I didn't record the register because she was the only cashier in there. The manager was. So I wasn't going to. And then you had people coming to the store, so I didn't have time to be holding my phone because I didn't bring no kids with me, and try to get my stuff and my coupons and everything together. I didn't have time to do all that. So I do have the receipts. What the other one went? Did I drop it? Let me see. Oh, it fell right here. So this is all I got. I got 22 Febreze sprays. These double packs. Like I said, y'all, I use paper coupons. I got 3 of these beads, 1 of these, and I got 5 of these and 3 of these ties. So that's all I got at the store, which is not like a huge haul like what y'all see people do. I don't order hundreds and hundreds of coupons, y'all, because I don't coupon every day because I work, child, so whatever. So what I have is the receipts. I think I paid less than $3. On this one, I paid 29 cents, saved $47. On this one, I paid $115 and saved $34. And on this one, I paid $128. So for all this, over $100 in savings, I paid like $3 for it, which I could have got it cheaper, but some stuff I wasn't allowed. Some coupons I couldn't use, so it is what it is. I ain't tripping. I'm grateful for whatever I can get. So yes, this is my small haul. I only went to one store, so I done used all my little Febreze coupons that I ordered. So I'm gonna try to get some more, so I can do a little something this weekend and record that as well. But like I said, I'm going to go through the digitals and I'm going to put together a scenario. It won't come out as cheap as the stuff that I got, but one thing that I learned when I started couponing is any saving is better than no saving. I remember when I used to do digitals, I started out doing digitals, and I would get these, this, that, the detergent, Febreze spray. They don't have them good deals, but I would used to get like those and pay like maybe $5 or $6 for it off the digitals. But I had to see what's on sale, see what's going on, and then putting something up here for y'all to try this weekend. Like I said, you have to download the Dollar General app. Once you use, y'all listen to me now. Once you use the coupons off that app, you cannot use them again. It's a one-time use. So if you want to, if it's a good deal and you want to do more than one transaction, if your husband, your kids have a phone, make an account with their number. And please make sure you use the same password for each account. That's what I had to do. I have over 20 of them. So as far as like the email addresses, I just have them all written down with what number it belongs to, and like I said, all the passwords are the same. So yes, y'all, this is gonna be the end of my video. Y'all tell me if y'all want to see more videos like this, and I will put some more. Okay, y'all, this is the scenario that I came up with. It's pretty easy. Again, these are digital coupons. Once you use these digitals, you can't use them again. So if you want to do a more than one transaction, like I said, you need to make another account. Clip these coupons. Make sure they have the check marks on them. Two of mine don't, because I hadn't clipped them yet, but make sure you clip those. Use these. It's kind of like you buying the big 51 count of flings and getting one for free. The original price for those flings are $13.50. So you are saving money. That's $15 right there that you're saving off of just to get one free and take some off the next one. So if y'all have any other questions, make sure you put comments down below and I will respond to those. Y'all have a blessed day.